Hello friends, Altaf Malik and I'm talking with you on my English language channel as sometimes on daily basis I have to make the videos, one or two videos for this channel because this is the new channel right now and I want to promote this channel. For that it is very necessary to be consistent on this channel. So I on daily basis I'm making one or two videos and for those videos you know that idea is required on daily basis. If I made if I make two videos on daily basis, then two ideas required on daily basis. But when consistently you make the videos, sometimes you lack the ideas, and sometimes you have to randomly speak in front of the camera. Right now I was thinking about the idea that on which topic I should make this video, but idea was not coming into my mind, so I thought that I randomly sit in front of the camera and start talking about whatever comes into my mind. So I'm talking randomly because you know that I'm running some another channel in national language, and I have also I have to make video for that channel also, and on daily basis I'm making the videos for this English language channel. So it is very difficult to manage two channels at a time, because sometimes some happenings occurs such as some marriage parties I have to attend, some deaths where I have to go, and then you will not be able to remain yourself consistent. So sometimes I make the videos in a row, 2, 3 or 4 videos at a time, and then I schedule them for a specific time, and they automatically will be uploaded on channel and you find the videos. But I think that on daily basis whenever I make the videos, that is very good, because with fresh mind I make videos for you with a fresh idea, and when I consistently make 6 or 7 videos, then all ideas were finished, and after that I face the problems that from where other idea would come, because you have seen that on YouTube you will have to remain consistent, otherwise your channel growth will be affected. So I was thinking for a long time that on which topic I will make the video. The topic was not coming into my mind, so I thought that as you know that I am making the videos related to English language, and in previous time when I started this channel, I made a lot of videos on my letter reviews. You can watch those reviews. You can go into my playlist and open the playlist of my old letters journey. There you will find more than 70 videos on my letter reviews, because in my most of videos I told you that in previous time 20 years back I used to write letters around the world in English language, and in this way I started learning the language, because whenever I received the replies from my friends around the world, and because their English was good, my English was not good, so whenever I read their letters I find the difficult sentences, difficult words, then I used to search their meanings from dictionaries, and more often I wrote down the difficult words on papers and memorize on daily basis. In this way I made my vocabulary of difficult words not too much better, but a little better, and right now when I speak the language, words automatically comes from my mouth, because when you fill your mind with a lot of vocabulary, then it is easy for you to speak over the words. Sometimes the actual word is not coming from my mouth, and instead of that words I use the resembling word, because main thing is to make others people understand whatever you saying. If others are understanding your speech, your dialogues, then it's okay. If you also use this formula, if you speak English language and sometimes suddenly your mind is blank because words you are not finding the words, proper words to put in the sentence. So there you use the resembling word, similar word there, which make other person understandable that what you are saying. In this way you will improve your English, and finally you will be able to speak spontaneously. As right now I don't have the topic and I'm speaking spontaneously this, and the topic was not in my mind, but I thought that I have to make the video, and for that I should speak in front of the camera, and whatever I will speak will give the lesson to other people, that sometimes when you face such kind of problems, just sit in front of the camera and start talking. Whatever coming into your mind, speak out. In this way you will be able to speak the language in better way. Sometimes you have seen that suddenly whenever you are if you imagine your study periods, when you are in school, and sometimes during the assembly time teacher suddenly ask you, Mr. blah blah, come here on the stage and speak something. Then you are not prepared for the speech, then there you have to speak something. So you remain sometimes silent, but after that the teacher used to ask you that make your introduction. Then you tell your name, my name is blah, I live in where, and I read in blah class. In this way I think that when you don't have the topic to speak, or when you suddenly requested to come on the stage and speak out some words, when you are not prepared, you are not thinking that you will be called, you are there for listening the speeches of others, but suddenly the stage secretary announce your name, please come on the stage and speak out some beautiful words, then it will be your problem for you that you are not prepared. Then what to do? There you can make the introduction of yourself. You can also say that I was just came here to listen the other speakers. I was not willing to speak, but you requested, you announced my name, so I have to say some things. You can say about that environment where you are sitting, how that environment is, good or bad, how the arrangements. You can praise the stage secretary that you are doing very good performance on stage. You can speak on your previous speakers, discuss on their speech. If you have listened already, you have listened the speech of someone, you can discuss on that speech. In this way you will make yourself able to speak or some words there, and people will not judge you that you are not prepared for the speech, and spontaneously you will make yourself able to speak something. In this way your practice will go ahead, and finally you will be able to speak spontaneously wherever you are called, because you will have the experience, and on the base of that experience you will speak a lot of things without preparation, because you have seen that there are so many people who go and they know that they will be called on the stage, they were prepared for that, but sometimes people announce your name and you are not prepared. Then what to do? I have shared the things, hope you have understood, and in this way you can control your subject if the subject is not in your mind, and how can you find the subject to speak randomly. Hope you find this video useful. If you find useful, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and before leaving please subscribe and allow me and write now a beautiful message, as I was giving in my previous videos, that we should love each other. We all are human beings, so we should love each other. And allow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.